geek image is the first thing that potential buyers see when they browse your services. So it is important to make a good impression. In today's video, I'll show you some tips and tricks on how to create a stunning geek image that will grab attention of your targeted clients and showcase your skills and expertise. By the way, the template I have made for this tutorial is fully customizable. I mean, you can change the color of the design very easily, and the best part is you can change the logo anytime you want. So if you want to download this project file, click on the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. So hit the like button and let's dive right into the Photoshop and get started. Okay, so first of all, create a new document in Photoshop. Enable rulers by pressing Ctrl R. Create two guides, one horizontal and one vertical. This will divide the canvas into 4 sections. Next, draw a rectangle on one of the sections. Adjust its size to fit in the section. Then make 3 copies of the rectangle and fill the other sections with them. Now you can remove the guides if you want to. To change the color of the rectangles, double-click on one of them in the layer panel and choose a color from the color picker. Now select the second rectangle and give it a gradient instead of a solid color. It will make it more attractive. You can do same thing with the rest of the rectangles. Select them and change their colors. Now add your logo on the top left rectangle and add some text below the logo. Now this step is very important. Select the logo and text layer and convert them into a smart object. The benefit of this step is now we can change or edit our logo very easily because they are now non-destructive. Now let's give the logo that color by duplicating this rectangle and placing it on the top of the logo and create a clipping mask on it. This will make the logo take the color of the rectangle. Next, duplicate the logo and change its color to a white color using color overlay option inside layer style. Do the same thing with other logos. Duplicate them and change their colors. Now the last thing that you need to do is to create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of everything, and from here you can change the color of the logo and the background by moving the slider. To change or edit the logo, just double click on the logo layer. It will open another document where you can modify your logo. Close the document when you are done and save it. It will update everything for you in the main document automatically. So that's it. Now you have a logo mockup that you can use as your Fiverr geek image. Also, if you want to learn about new AI feature of Photoshop, you can watch this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.